Okay, we're going to continue with 1.1 and 1.2 notes here. Problem 7 says use the relation below to complete each task. What relationship is modeled here? That is, what could X and Y represent in this scenario? Write the description in the table headers. Just an example or a thought is number of tickets purchased and total cost. Could be one idea of what those could represent. Explain if this relation is also a function. You could very easily make this a mapping diagram and draw your arrows in. And notice that for each x, there's exactly one y. So yes, it's a function. Each input has exactly one output. Okay. Why does your answer for B make sense in the context of the problem? Well, if you buy one ticket, there shouldn't be two different costs. Okay, same goes with 2, 3, 4. So no matter what you do, however many tickets you buy, there shouldn't be two possible costs there. It should always be the same cost. Okay. Represent as ordered pairs. So 0 tickets, $0. 1 ticket, $12. 2 tickets, $24. 3 tickets, $36. And 4 tickets, $48. Now, when you're doing this as a relation, to show that they go together, to make a relation, we always put these curly braces around them, so we can tell that they go together. I already showed you the mapping diagram, so I'm not going to rewrite that there, but you should have two ovals. Fill in your x's and your y's, and then draw your arrows to match them up. And then represent the relation as a graph, scale and label. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put 1's here. And I'm actually going to go by 12's here. So that I could keep going. So my graph is actually going to look like this. Okay. Now notice I didn't draw a line in there, and I didn't connect my points, and I didn't do any extra points. That's because this is a specific type of problem called a discrete function, and we don't actually connect them because you can't buy, in this case, 1.5 tickets. Okay, so that's why we don't draw it in. Foreshadow, why are we restricted to the first quadrant? Think about that. We're going to leave it at that. So there's the last example. Now that you have finished, you're going to go ahead and do the next 2 pages. Those are your practice, your homework. And then have those checked to make sure you're okay with those. And then you will take the quiz on Canvas and make sure you pass that. Have a great day.